Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to be fixing some old slime. A lot of videos usually require you to go shopping somewhere, and we're trying to limit ourselves from going out and shopping in general. So today I thought we would go back to fixing some good old slime. I'm going to be bringing in a special guest in a few minutes. We're going to be making these slimes over into jumbo slimes. I hope you guys are staying home, staying safe, and we will get through this. Without further ado, let's get straight on to this video. All right, I have Squishy Bunny, my husband.
Hey, Queen.
And the last time we did this was where we transformed some slime. Do you remember?
Wait, has it been that long?
Oh my gosh, why aren't you on my channel more?
It's been a while.
He's always like here.
I'm always doing something.
He's always here while we're filming. Not always in the videos, which you should be in them more often. Last time we did a competition where we're trying to fix some slime and transform them. Today we're doing the same thing basically, but today we're gonna transform them and make them jumbo.
Okay, make them
so
huge.
You're gonna get into like a little bit of detail.
Okay.
If you guys have not subscribed to Mr. Squishy Bunny, head to Squishy Bunny. He also has his channel and he posts on there. So go subscribe. Are you ready to just get straight into it?
Ready. Let's go.
All right, let's do it.
These two are definitely from last year.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick one each, and then from there we're gonna transform it into a jumbo version, which would be like a 32 ounce. For example, this would be
so this
jumboed out, and those are a few months old, but these over here are like over a year old. All right, do you want to choose the first one?
Yes, I'll pick the avocado.
I'm gonna go for the sushi because I feel like there's no way on
hard.
earth that you could take this one out. It's a little bit underactivated, and that's because we got this a few months ago, but it's not bad at all. But we're still transforming it into a jumbo version.
This one looks like it's a slushy one too. It's a little bit dried out, so that tells me it's old already, like sealed shut. I mean, this one definitely melted the city.
The avocado looks really cute, and I'm sure it was beautiful.
The detail of it, I love it.
But it is a rock right now. This is gonna sound insane, but I think we should do no longer than 15 minutes. I would say 10 actually, but there's detail with clay and there's slime making to turn this jumbo. The only thing that you could adjust is the base. The clay, you have to try to replicate it and make it your own, like big.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh.
Yo, this one's really melted.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
It's some serious activating.
Where's my, oh my god, where's the glue?
Where's the activator? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna need more glue first. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's fine. Oh, it's a lot.
Oh my gosh. So 32 ounce, think 32 ounce. This is
big.
about enough.
I feel like I might not need more paint. This paint was perfect.
I think this is meant to be like the rice, right?
Yeah, like the steamed rice.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
it's so cool.
I'm halfway there.
Thinking about this activator is so strong. People always tell me you must have a lot of arm strength.
Like Popeye?
Because I make slime so much. And I guess I do, but like also no, because recently, we make the big old batches in the mixer. It's disgusting, but it's the fastest way for me. Like this is way easier than doing it with a spatula.
Lord.
This is what I like to do. And it's just easier for me. Oh, I don't want to overactivate this, so I'm gonna keep mixing keep kneading because sometimes I overactivate it and I'm like, no.
This one's really good already. Look at this.
What do you think about if the winner of this video wins $10,000? And this is not clickbait. I don't believe that every single channel that does that is doing it. Unless you're Mr. Beast, like I believe 1,000% that they're like doing all that. But this is like actually 10K, Raul. Like I am dead serious.
Wait, what? You put 5K and I put 5K on my end. Whoever.
Like actually.
I'm down.
Like we're risking losing $5,000 each. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like Raul will get really into it, and I feel like if we don't do this, like you're gonna try it out, but it's not gonna come out. I want you to give it this your all. Yeah, you know what?
Yeah.
8 minutes left?
What?
Okay. No. I need to go in with this. 7 minutes.
Oh. Wait, does cleanliness count? And that should be perfect. You're like, there can't be no beach fallout. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. This one was like a half slush in a way too. Like.
You're throwing beads to my end of the table. Stop. Okay, we got down our slimes. So it took quite a bit because we still have a good 7 minutes to do our clay. Collect your clay supplies.
So I need a white Daiso and a brown Daiso.
All right, 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
There's $10,000 on the line, and like it should look cute.
Oh, it's definitely gonna look cute. It's gonna look adorable.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. I'm smoothing with my finger.
It looks like a light shaded green, so I'm gonna try a couple drops first.
Okay.
How's it going?
Good. How's it going for you?
It's going.
It's going. Oh my gosh, I got food coloring on my hands. That's what I didn't want.
Okay, this one definitely has yellow, huh? That's some yellow one.
Hold on. I can't cut it. I'm sorry.
Like I'm kindergarten again.
What the hell?
I added yellow, but this is what came out. DNA. Make it a little fatty. It looks like a marshmallow, huh?
I'll tell you what it doesn't look like. An avocado. What do you think so far, Squish Gamai? She's really like long though, like super thick, no?
Like I'm doing this here, like I'm doing this, I'm gonna use the bottom as a flat part, watch.
Clay,
oh shit, looks on
that's
before.
actually like bigger than the 32 ounce itself. Like,
Oh wow, that's a big old piece of clay. This thing is massive, look at this.
I mean, go off. I don't know, but I'm trying to get my coin over here.
I'm trying to find out if Carol Baskin killed her husband. No, I was kidding.
Carol Baskin 100% killed her husband. I'm sorry, Carol.
She did that.
Look at this. Bro, I just don't understand. I would have been done with that a long time ago.
It has to be flatter, huh? That's why.
Okay, so I got my first piece of clay. We are finally done, and I know what you're thinking. There's no way on earth they did all of that in 7 minutes, and that is because it was actually impossible. And now, since there's literally $10,000 on the line, like we cannot risk this being ugly. So we decided it's just gonna be like a competition to like take our time with it.
Yeah, to pretty much perfect the clay.
I think they came out so cute. I'm not gonna lie, they took quite a bit of time, but I think that they're nearly the exact same thing.
So for mine, I actually put a little twist to it. I added a little face. This was a little bit like a lighter shade of green than this one. I love
it. I think it's really cute. I think it's like huge. I mean, but it's not like you could lose points for going bigger, you know, it's still really cute. Before you continue to watch, pause right now and comment hashtag Raul or hashtag Karina if I won or if he won. And then in the end, like the total comments, like whoever gets the most comments would win. I'm just kidding. Oh, I'm sorry, little guy. Interesting colors. Poor little guy.
Dios. No!
Poor thing.
This one has a lot more color than yours, though.
Moving on to the next and final round. Do not forget to vote down below. Hashtag
Squishy.
Squishy or hashtag Karina. Second round and last round because these take quite a bit.
But it's fun. I've been having fun.
So we have cinnamon raisin bagel, and this is another one from Slumu that is not that old. It's only a couple to a few months old. And then we have this one that is from Bellini Slimes.
Cosmic Brownie Delight.
And I just want to show you that this is like not working anymore. Been over a year for sure. There's hair in it. It's just like super, super old. This package was also torn apart by our dogs. So
Buns, if you're watching this.
I just feel so bad that this got torn apart. Cause clearly,
It was a masterpiece.
you can tell something happened to this.
Yeah, it got squished.
The Slumu one, I actually lost the base. We're gonna have to recreate it. So, which one do you want?
I'll take the brownie.
That could be really cute. Don't mess it up. That could be adorable.
Wait, are these little clay balls? Yeah, these look hard to make. Can you imagine to like color like 4
Do whatever
different
you want, but like, you know, like go based off of that.
Oh,
like,
you know what?
Your own version of that.
I think I could do clay balls. Okay, I got it.
The good thing about this bagel is that it actually like
It's
still
good, huh?
works. All right, well, let's do it. Let's get straight into it. I was gonna say like, all right, go like 3, 2, 1, but you don't want to rush either. So let's just get into it. I need to make my slime.
I need to make a masterpiece because I need to win those 10K. First things first. Hopefully it's not melted. Oh, spoke too soon.
Kneading is my least favorite part. I'm gonna add some clay to mine because the original was actually a clay slime. I mean, you didn't even know that because like we didn't have it, but I just want to
But I know, so you gotta make it good.
I'm barely on my base.
Same. Yeah, I'm still on the base too.
I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow food coloring to give it that little tan color.
Green or tan?
Color. The heck? It looks like freaking mustard. Now it's time to make my...
Wait, you're already advancing?
Yeah, I'm moving on to my donut now.
I'm still stuck in this phase.
I might make a donut because this is really cute and all, you guys, but like a donut would be so much cuter.
So I finally finished my my slime. I feel like I'm cutting a cake.
Now I need to add some glaze up in here. I have my frosting on. So cute. Now I need to make the whole... Oh!
It looks like the Simpsons donut.
You guys, I'm actually obsessed with my donut. I'm gonna add some sprinkles. Thank you. All right, we're done. This is mine, and this is my base.
I like yours.
My base is a sleigh slime, which has a little bit of clay in there. It's brown, which I was originally going for the bagel since the other one was a bagel as well, but I thought it would be cuter if I made a donut.
I mean, I just made a cosmic brownie.
So good.
Well, like with colored clay balls on top.
It was beautiful, but it was also chewed up by our dogs and sat for about a year, so.
My base is just like a regular, like, thick slime.
Oh my god, you're getting food coloring in it. I feel like this is definitely one of those, like, it's a tie. Like, I cannot say I won or you won. Well, comment down below.
We'll find out at the comments.
Cute. Oh my gosh, are you joking? Are you joking? So nice. Fluff her up. You guys, this thing's like low-key inflating. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so soft and inflating. Like, I actually love this one so much.
They both turned out great, to be honest.
So I hope you guys enjoyed our little competition challenge fixing slime, but like jumpifying it. That was fun, supersizing our slime. Let us know who you think won. Go follow Squishy Bunny on Instagram for all updates on restocks and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Happy quarantine. Stay safe, stay home. Love you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.